In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide completed tasks. Notion. By the end, you'll have a clean tasks table where finished items disappear from your everyday view so you can stay focused on what's still pending. First, open the Notion website and create a new page. On the empty page, type /database. From the menu that appears, choose the database option so you get a table to work with. Give your database a clear name, like tasks, so it's easy to find later. Now start adding a few sample tasks to the name column, such as task 1 and task 2. This gives us something to test with. Next, we need a way to mark items as done. Click. Add property at the top of the table, then choose checkbox. This creates a new checkbox column you'll use to mark completed tasks. If you want, you can rename this property to something like completed for clarity, but the key action is adding that checkbox property. To create a view that hides completed tasks, look near the top of your database where the view tabs are. You'll see a small plus icon. Click that plus to add a new view, choose Table as the view type, and name this view Uncompleted Tasks. Naming it clearly will make it easy to switch between your full list and your filtered view. Click into the Uncompleted Tasks view you just made, then open the view settings by selecting Edit View. In that panel, find the Filter option. Add a filter where your checkbox property is set to unchecked. This tells Notion to only show tasks that are not yet completed. Now let's see it in action. Return to your table and check the box for any task you've finished. As soon as it's checked, that item will no longer appear in the Uncompleted Tasks view. Switch back to the Uncompleted Tasks view and you'll see only the tasks that remain unchecked, keeping your to-do list focused and clutter-free. A quick tip: keep the original view without filters if you want a master list of everything. You can switch between all tasks and uncompleted tasks anytime to review completed work or stay focused on what's next. And if you add new items while in the Uncompleted Tasks view, they'll show up automatically as long as their checkbox is still unchecked. That's it. You've set up a simple system in Notion to hide completed tasks, making your workflow cleaner and your priorities clearer.